At this point, this has turned into a mukbang. And I don't care. Blink the motherfucking haters away. Blink them away.
Boof, stop playing with him.
Okay, so I'm a little bit or a lot of bit slow and I forgot to record an intro for this video. So please enjoy this slideshow of me acting like the complete dumbass that I am as your intro. Hi, welcome to my trap house. I'm Nyree. I run things around here and this is how you put on your eyelashes. Please enjoy the video. Goodbye. One more thing, my dishwasher is really loud throughout the entire background of this video, so please try to ignore it. Okay, so I know that my head is kind of cut off, but that's because I'm zoomed in because I'm about to show you guys how to apply it. These are the lashes I'm going to use. They're the same ones that I used in my last video. I don't know if they're 25mm or not, but I really hope that they are because I can be walking around with short lashes on. I'm so sorry, but like baby lashes don't do it for me. Baby lashes do not do it for me. So I need 25 or up and I really can't tell. I feel like they're not. I feel like they low-key jip me, but they're still cute. I'm gonna take this time to talk about the lash band real quick. If you're a beginner, I would suggest making sure that you get eyelashes that have a thick lash band. And what I mean by that is you can kind of see on these ones, I wore these already, so you might see a little bit of glue still left on them, but here it's kind of blurry, but you can see right here the band is thicker. Basically, you can see the band. Sometimes on lashes you can't really see it that well, and that just means that it has a thin lash band, and you can also tell by how it moves pretty much. If you get a brand new pair of lashes, I would suggest just like going like this so that you can loosen up the band a little bit, because the more pliable the band is, then the easier it is. But at the same time, you don't want a lash band that is too thin because then it's too flimsy. So one that has like a thicker band but not too thick where you can't move it is perfect. If you're getting a brand new pair of lashes and you really don't know a lot about lashes, when you get the lashes, make sure that you measure them and cut them to your eye length. So just hold the lash up to your eye, and if there's any extra band or any extra hanging over, then just cut them a little bit off the end so that it fits your eye. Next thing you want to do is make sure that you have a good glue. The glue that you're using is going to either make or break your experience with applying your lashes. So make sure that you get a good glue, something that is going to hold all day. Just make sure you have a really good strong glue. I typically use the green, I don't even know what it's called, but it's Duo. It's a green Duo lash adhesive. You can just get it at any drugstore. That glue has the best formula for me. That glue is like super glue. Like you put it on your lashes and they will not move. I've been on roller coasters using that glue. I've been in the car. It's been hurricane winds. Hurricane winds and my lashes stayed on, okay? So listen, get Duo and it'll change your life. It's kind of dirty, but what makeup do I have that's clean? None. I've been using this Kiss strip adhesive lash glue lately, and it works pretty much just as good as the Duo one. I would still say Duo is my favorite, but this one works just as good. So also, I would suggest getting a lash glue. The Duo lash glue that I just mentioned has a brush on it, and so does this. Especially if you're a beginner, I would definitely suggest getting a lash glue with a brush. Now the tutorial will start. One thing that I mentioned in my last video was that when I apply my lashes, I apply the glue onto my eyelid before I even put the glue on the lash itself. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I would also suggest this for anyone else who's still learning how to apply lashes. This will help your lashes stick so much better. I'm just gonna apply a thin layer of this lash glue right where I want my lashes to go. I got some on my actual lash. It's kind of drying a little bit and it'll turn clear. So one thing I did forget to mention is if you're a beginner, I would suggest getting clear lash glue. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why.
Let me tell you why.
Let me tell you why.
If you get black lash glue, and you don't apply your lashes correctly, or you have to move your lash down, that's gonna show on your skin. Whereas if you got clear lash glue, you don't really have anything to worry about. You can mess up, you can put some lash glue on your eyelid and you won't have to redo your entire eye look because it'll turn clear. So definitely buy clear lash glue if you're just starting out. I like to apply some on the lash as well, so I'm gonna apply a good amount. Okay, I'm running out, so it might take me a little bit more glue to get on this lash. You want to apply enough so that your lash will not fall off, but also you don't want to drench the lash band in lash glue because that's just going to make it harder for you when you apply it. I think that tweezers can make it easier sometimes, but then sometimes there's days where I'm like, these tweezers are not working for me and I just use my finger and I'm fine. I started off using my fingers, that's how I learned how to apply lashes, and then I switched over to tweezers and I never went back. Definitely get some tweezers because I feel like they will help you. I just pick up the lash, I let it get tacky. I usually put the lash glue on my lashes when I'm blending in my concealer so that I give it like ample time to dry. I let my lashes sit for like a minute rather than 30 seconds like the bottle says because I like it super tacky. When you apply your lashes, make sure that your eye is open. Do not close your eye because you will glue your eyes shut. Do not close your eye.
And I had to make that shit clear, bitch.
Tilt the lash up, whether you're using your finger or your tweezers. I'm gonna show you how to apply lashes using your fingers in a second. I'm gonna show you 2 different ways. You can have a mirror on you, or just like you can look down, but definitely keep your eye open and just place the lash as close as you can to your eye. As long as you keep your hand up like this, you'll be fine. And that's when you can adjust it to make sure that it sticks on your eye. Sometimes I just like to go like this just to make sure that the lashes are sticking up as best as they can. Some people like to put mascara on before they apply their lashes just to make sure that they're natural lashes and the false lash blends into each other. I don't like putting mascara on only because I feel like it doesn't do anything for my lashes. When I use mascara to put my lashes on and when I don't use mascara to put my lashes on, you can't tell a difference, so I just don't bother. They blend in pretty well already. If you feel like you need to put mascara on to help blend your lashes together, then definitely do that. I just don't do it personally. Now, if you feel like you cannot get your lashes close to your lash line to where it's not noticeable, there's a few things you can do to kind of hide that. One of them is just applying a black eyeliner, a thin line across your lash line, just to help conceal the space in between your lashes and your lash line. So I'm gonna do that now. So that should be good. I'm gonna put glue on only the lash this time, just like before. Oh my god, see, I'm so bad at trying to like explain shit to people. If you don't know your left lash from your right lash, some lashes, they gradually get longer, kind of like these ones. And you can tell left from right based off of which side is longer when you're looking at the lashes in the pack. This time I'm going to apply the lash using my fingers. So just like before, make sure that your lash is upwards. Like just like how you were holding the tweezers, like that, the same way you want to hold your hands. It's really not that different. So you can just put it down like that, and then now you can just adjust it. So the inner corner on this lash won't stay down, and if that happens, then just apply a little bit more glue directly onto your lid and reapply the lash. Just hold it down a little bit more in that area. So I put some more glue right there, and now I'm just gonna wait for it to dry a little bit. So that's it. Look at how quick and easy that was. Lashes are on, and it took what? Not that long. Once you get the hang of it, putting lashes on is not even that scary. It's not. This is what they look like when they're attached correctly. Ta-da. Now, one other tip that I will mention, this will even further conceal that separation and make your lashes really look like they're coming out of your actual like skin. This is called tight lining. I'm using this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and you can use an eyeliner, whatever you want, and I'm just going to apply right on my upper lash line. Basically all that does is it makes your lash line look darker, so it gives a fullness to your lashes and kind of just makes them look more cohesive in general. So congratulations, you have successfully put on your lashes and now you look like you're about to fly away. Some final closing thoughts with Nyree. 1, make sure that you have good lash glue, a lash glue that is reputable and will actually last you a good amount of time. 2, aim for the center of your eye. Make sure that your lash is not hanging off, that you don't apply them too far out and you don't apply them too far in. If your lash is hanging off the end of your eye, then your eyes are just gonna look droopy and that's not a good look for anybody. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Now you see that putting your lashes on is really not hard. I hope that this helps somebody. I hope this was detailed enough to help you put your lashes on. You ain't got nothing to be afraid of. And yeah, I don't have anything else to say unlike all of my other videos other than subscribe, the fuck, and tell me what you think in the comments, I guess. Interact with me, please. Please interact with me. Okay, bye. Blink the motherfucking haters away. Blink them away. Anybody try to hang on your lashes, let me the fuck know because I'm the queen of lashes. Me thinking I'm on TikTok. Let me stop. You better subscribe.